Now, I want you to think about this for a second. You or someone you care about is walking across the parking lot, and as you get closer to your vehicle, you notice that you have a flat tire. Or maybe you get inside and you turn the key or push the button, and the battery's dead. Well, in the past, you would have to wait for your automobile club to show up and help you out. Now, those days are over. Because of this GOOLOO A7, it can actually jumpstart any car, truck, SUV, or motorhome with a dead battery on any gasoline engine or any diesel engine up to 10 liters. And there's more, believe it or not. This thing is amazing. The folks at GOOLOO really put some thought into this because you can actually use it to inflate pool floats or mattresses. You can use it to inflate them or deflate them. It has a built-in flashlight with an emergency mode. If you're stuck alongside the road, you can actually flash the SOS sign. Plus, you can use it if you have a power failure to charge your cell phone or laptop. Now, full disclosure here, the folks at GOOLOO sent me this at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. To charge this GOOLOO A7, just use the included USB cable and plug it into any regular wall charger. Let's take a quick look at the display and how to set it up to inflate a tire. First, screw the air hose into the compressor outlet so it's nice and snug. Press the power button to turn on the A7, then use the menu button to select the car icon. Here in the US, you'll want to select PSI. To do that, long press the menu button once, then again until PSI is selected. Now select the tire pressure you want. Once that's done, connect the air hose to your tire and press the on-off button to start the compressor. When the tire reaches the pressure you selected, the A7 will automatically shut itself off. Now for jump starting a vehicle, as soon as you plug in the jumper cable, the A7 automatically switches to the jump start mode. Now, one thing I like about this is that the connector only goes on one way, so you can't mess it up. Hook the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal on your battery. You'll see a green light on the connector when everything is good. Now, if the light is flashing green, that means that the battery is extremely low. Go ahead and press the boost button and then start your vehicle. Once it's running, leave it running and remove the cables. Now, while I show you everything that comes in the box, I want to mention my favorite thing about the GOOLOO A7. It's the peace of mind I have knowing it's in my car. When I'm driving or one of my kids is out on the road, I know a dead battery or a flat tire is something we can handle ourselves without having to rely on a stranger for help. So if you've been thinking about getting a battery jump starter, this GOOLOO A7 checks all the boxes. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.